Don't be afraid to be different, be afraid of being the same as everyone else. A warm greetings to everyone present here. I am Samriddhi Ghimire, currently studying in grade 9A2. Today I stand before you all to give a short presentation on the topic, the courage to be different. Imagine your teacher asks you a question, you know the answer but you don't answer it because nobody else in the class does. This happens to most of us. We often stay quiet, hide our opinions just to be fitting with others. We live in a world where fitting feels much safer than standing out. We often copy others, we silence our own words just to be accepted. But is that really living? Probably not. Courage isn't just absence of fear. Courage is being terrified and doing it anyway. Courage isn't loud. Sometimes it is wearing what you actually like. Choosing a friend who leads you over the crowd that tries to impress you. Pursuing a dream that excites you every time even though nobody else gets it yet. Saying this is who I am, calmly, proudly, in a confident way in a world that is constantly trying you to be something smaller. So the next time if you have an idea that feels too different, don't silence it. If you are standing up for something, don't just sit back down just because no one else is standing. Have the courage to be different because the world doesn't need another copy. It needs you. Thank you.